Hey girl, thank you for stopping by my channel. If you are already a subscriber, thank you, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like and comment so I know that you stopped by. So today I'm going to be showing y'all some affordable nail products and items and tools that you can purchase on a budget. So there you have it, everything you'll need to get an acrylic full set. If you have any other questions, just comment below, or you can just email me and I'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.